This tea is a wonderful addition to your self-love and wellness routine. Today, we're going to unveil the magic behind a special blend of tea made from peppermint, ginger, lemon, and honey. First up, we've got peppermint. This isn't just your average candy cane flavor, folks. Peppermint is a power player in the world of natural ingredients. It's known for its digestive benefits, helping to soothe an upset stomach and promote healthy digestion. Plus, its natural menthol can help clear your sinuses and throat. Who knew this humble plant could be such a superstar? Next, we introduce ginger to the mix. This spicy root does more than just add a zing to your dishes. It's been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat nausea and inflammation. And if you're feeling a bit under the weather, ginger can help boost your immune system too. Now let's not forget about our citrusy friend, lemon. This tart fruit is packed with vitamin C, essential for promoting a strong immune system. Plus, it adds a refreshing tang to our tea, making it even more enjoyable. Finally, we sweeten the deal with honey. But honey is more than just a sweet treat. It's a natural cough suppressant and can help soothe a sore throat. Plus, it's full of antioxidants that help protect your body from cell damage. So, how do we bring these fantastic four together? It's simple. Start by boiling 2 cups of water. Add a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Next, add the juice of half a lemon and a handful of fresh peppermint leaves. Let it steep for another 5 minutes. Strain the tea into your favorite mug, add a spoonful of honey, and voila! Your health-boosting elixir is ready. In summary, this peppermint, ginger, lemon, and honey tea is more than just a comforting drink. It's a natural remedy packed with benefits. It aids digestion, clears sinuses, fights inflammation, boosts the immune system, soothes sore throats, and is full of antioxidants. And remember, it's not just about drinking tea, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle. Now, let's take a moment to imagine how you, the consumer, would feel after drinking this wellness elixir. Picture this. The moment the fragrant aroma hits your senses, you feel instantly refreshed and invigorated. As you take your first sip, the soothing warmth of the tea begins to spread through your body, calming your mind and easing your stress. The subtle flavors of peppermint, ginger, lemon, and honey mingle in perfect harmony, each one distinct yet complementing the others beautifully. This isn't just a cup of tea, it's a journey of wellness and tranquility, a moment of peace in a hectic world. So, why not take a break and let this health-boosting elixir work its magic? Now, before we wrap up, a little tip from us. We enjoy utilizing essential oils in our tea. We use doTerra because of their quality standards and testing. Adding a few drops of quality essential oils can significantly increase the tea potency. But remember, always use high-quality food-grade essential oils. Recipes will be in the description for both versions of tea. So go ahead, give this recipe a whirl and enjoy the magic of nature in a cup. Until next time, cheers to health and happiness. Thanks for watching.